So here's some financial advice. You want a brand new mower? You want one of these? $300. You want something same thing, but no gas. Yeah, no gas, no oil, no maintenance basically. $140. This thing, number one. I'm getting it.
This is Steven opening his new lawnmower.
This is the day. Unboxing. This is a lawnmower.
It looks little.
Она так похожа, знаешь, на что? Чем семена разбрасывают по полю. На сеялку. Ух ты, какие ножи.
Это косилка.
It doesn't look little anymore. Whoa. That's cool.
Что-то сильно высоко. Можно ниже.
You could adjust the height too. Да, можно и это. Она точится, да, это когда ты вперед. Она когда косишь, еще точится. Даже точить не надо.
What are those things? Handles?
Yeah, I guess again. Here's the handlebars.
Where?
Oh, the thing on the handlebars. And the bolts. The handlebars. You need those?
I
Alright,
definitely want to see how this works outside.
Okay, so just a quick rundown of the parts. You have these two grip for the grip handlebars, or grips for the handlebars. These are the upper handlebars. These are the lower handlebars. It comes with 3 bolts and nuts. I don't know if you can see it, but and it's kind of easy to assemble. One of the bolts that's a bit shorter than this one. I don't know if you can see that, but see the longer bolts go on the bottom, the smaller one goes on the top. But before you start to assemble all this, I noticed one thing. The instructions will tell you go ahead and assemble all this and then try to stick it in there, but technically that's not really possible, because the thing is right here. If you see this on the camera, this is where the handlebars are supposed to go, not right here, which basically says it in the instructions. But there's really no way you would do that when they're all connected, so you would have to kind of stick them on first on those spots, and then you could start to assemble the rest. Then you have these two E-rings. That's really what they're called. Yep, E-rings. Not earrings, E-rings. And yep, they also go just to fasten them onto these things where they have grooves. It goes on right there. I hate it when it says you don't need tools. You really do need tools. I'll be right back. Well, just like that, you just fastened one. Do the same thing on the other. There's a slot for these rings. E-rings. And yep, it can fall. Now don't worry, these blades are not yet sharp. I think you have to sharpen them for 10 minutes, but that's later on. It's really good to have a hammer, you know? Okay, so now we could assemble this part. We should take these, put in the lower, just like that, and Alright, so another thing to notice that even though it says no tools, you don't want this to be loose, okay? So what I like to use is these locking pliers, and then it really helps tighten the screw a whole lot more. And so this last one, same thing. Get the last screw. Should be the smallest one out of all of them. Push it on through. Tighten it up with the nut. See that? It's not quite tight, so use these pliers and just tighten it up. That's tight. Really tight. Okay, and then to finish off, you have these grips. Just put them on top. And that's how you do it. So when it's all said and done, what you want to do is you want to walk around and sharpen the blades for 10 minutes. And this is how it look like.